still choose you.
Every time, every season. We've seen the sunshine, we've walked through rain, held on tight through joy and pain. Some days easy, some days rough, but walking away was never enough. The years have changed the way we smile. Life has tested us all the while. Still every morning when I wake, you're the first choice that I make.
We've had questions without replies, silent tears behind our eyes, but every storm that came our way only taught our hearts to stay.
Love isn't perfect, love is true,
built by what we're willing to do. When the world says give it up, we keep filling each other's cup.
It's not about never falling, it's about rising hand in hand.
Every promise, every moment,
build this love that still can stand. We still choose us
again and again,
through every season,
through loss and through win.
when the world keeps changing.
One thing remains:
If I had another lifetime,
I'd choose you just the same.
we still choose us.
Every single day.
Yeah, every single day.
Hey,
Not because we're free from scars, not because life hasn't been hard. It's because we learn somehow. Love is a daily promise now.
every laugh and every tear brought us closer year by year. No perfect story to pretend, just two hearts that won't give in.
When my strength is running low,
I'll remind you what we know.
love isn't measured by perfect days.
It's choosing each other in 1,000 little ways. We still choose us,
with grateful hearts,
not just the easy.
but every part.
Time may change us,
But this
stays true.
if tomorrow started over,
I'd still choose you. We still choose us again and again.
forever begins
With choosing you.
still my home.
Still my heart.
Oh,
We still choose us.
we still choose us.